Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase passive income with Fetch Rewards, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Fetch Rewards is an app that allows you to earn rewards on your everyday purchases. To begin, download the Fetch Rewards app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it and create your account by providing your email address and a password. After creating your account, you'll be welcomed with a tutorial on how the app works. Familiarize yourself with the layout and the features available. Now, it's time to start earning rewards. Begin by linking your grocery store accounts for easy tracking of your purchases. If you shop at participating stores, you can automatically earn points without scanning receipts. If you prefer, you can also manually upload your receipts. Make sure to scan every receipt from grocery, convenience, and even restaurant purchases. Fetch Rewards gives you points for every eligible receipt you upload. Watch for special promotions that can earn you extra points on select brands or products. Also, consider referring friends to the app. When they sign up using your referral code, you both receive bonus points. As your points accumulate, you can redeem them for gift cards from a variety of retailers. Check the app for new rewards and promotions regularly. You can also save points for larger rewards if you prefer. In addition to shopping, consider sharing your experiences on social media to potentially earn more rewards. If you're consistent with your receipts and actively participate, your passive income can grow significantly over time. Stay engaged with the app and explore all its features to make the most of your Fetch Rewards experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.